Have you ever opened your phone for just 5 minutes and suddenly realized 30 minutes are gone? You sit down to study, work, or create something important, but your mind keeps looking for something more interesting. You might think, I'm just lazy, but the real story is more complicated. Your brain is constantly being trained to expect quick stimulation. The attention trap. Every notification, short video, message, and endless scroll gives your brain something new to process. When you switch between tasks again and again, your attention gets pulled in different directions. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman, known for his research on attention and decision-making, explained that mental attention is a limited resource. In simple words, your brain cannot give unlimited attention to everything at once. So when your environment constantly demands your attention, staying focused becomes harder. Why boredom feels uncomfortable. Here's the strange part. When you finally try to focus on something difficult, your brain may immediately search for an escape. Check your phone, open another tab, watch another video, anything to avoid the uncomfortable feeling of boredom. Philosopher Blaise Pascal famously wrote, "All of humanity's problems stem from man's inability to sit quietly in a room alone." And today, sitting quietly can feel even harder because entertainment is always one tap away. Focus is a skill. The good news, your ability to focus isn't necessarily gone. It can be strengthened. Start small. Put your phone away. Choose one task. Work on it for just 10 minutes without switching. Then take a short break and repeat. The goal isn't to become focused overnight. The goal is to teach your brain that it doesn't need constant stimulation. Take back your attention. What you repeatedly give your attention to shapes your ability to pay attention. So if you constantly train your brain to chase quick stimulation, deep focus can feel difficult. But if you practice staying with one meaningful task, your attention can become stronger. Your phone isn't necessarily the enemy. Uncontrolled attention is. And the moment you start choosing where your attention goes, you start taking control of your mind again.